Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a lipstick that delivers bold color, a flawless matte finish, and feels like luxury on your lips, this is one you're going to want to hear about. Today, we're talking about Pat McGrath Labs MatteTrance lipstick in the stunning shade Femmebot. This lipstick promises to deliver everything you need: long-lasting wear, smooth application, and rich pigmentation. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. The MatteTrance lipstick collection from Pat McGrath is known for its creamy, highly pigmented formula that glides on with ease. The shade Femmebot is a mid-tone neutral pink, perfect for everyday wear, adding a sophisticated pop of color that works for both professional and casual settings. With its matte finish, it doesn't dry out the lips, but still provides that elegant, velvety look. Now, let's talk about the experience of using it. The lipstick has a rich texture that applies smoothly without tugging at the lips. I've worn it throughout the day in a variety of situations, whether I was drinking, eating, or just chatting, and it stayed intact without fading too much or creating that dreaded lipstick ring. The color payoff is impressive, and it gives a true matte finish without feeling heavy or drying, which can often be a concern with matte lipsticks. It's also worth noting that the formula includes some skin-loving ingredients, which is a nice touch. The lipstick feels comfortable even after hours of wear, and I didn't notice any cracking or discomfort, which is something I've experienced with other matte lipsticks in the past. So, if you've been on the lookout for a matte lipstick that doesn't sacrifice comfort, this one might just be what you're looking for. But it's not perfect. While the formula is top-notch, the price might make you hesitate. For the 0.14 stick, it's definitely on the higher end. While Pat McGrath is a luxury brand known for its performance and packaging, I always like to consider whether the quality matches the price tag. In this case, the quality does. But if you're on a budget, this could be something to think about. If you're willing to invest in a high-quality lipstick, the MatteTrance line delivers. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly that offers similar wear and finish, you might find comparable products from other brands that provide good value for a lower price. The packaging? Luxe and sleek, of course. Pat McGrath's iconic gold casing adds to the overall experience. It feels substantial and elegant, just like you'd expect from a premium product. Now, as for the longevity, I noticed that this lipstick holds up pretty well throughout the day. It doesn't transfer much, and you won't need to reapply constantly, which makes it an excellent choice for a long day at work or an evening out. So, is this lipstick worth the price? If you're someone who loves high-end, long-lasting lipsticks that feel great to wear and deliver beautiful color, then it's absolutely worth it. However, if you're on a tight budget, I'd suggest considering other options. But for the luxury lipstick lover, this one is a must-try. If this review has been helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss out on honest, detailed reviews like this one. Your support means the world. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.